Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make Georgian style sauce for grilled meat, for barbecue and kebab. So first of all I will take 250 grams of tomato passata. So this tomato passata, or just use tomato paste, or if you have some spicy tomato passata, it's even better. So you see it's about 250 grams, and you see it's quite liquid, so it's not necessary to do anything with water. Now 4 garlic cloves, just roughly chop them and go inside. 4 small gherkins, again roughly chop them. This is standard gherkins, so nothing special about them. Dill, very small bunch, again roughly chop it. It will be not very red paste, but it will be greenish paste. And now look at this coriander. Georgian cuisine without coriander is not existing. So I'll take all this bunch. Again, roughly chop it. I think it will be nice, and go inside. Now we need to prepare some spices. Let's do spices. First of all, chili powder. Chili powder. It depends how hungry you are. Just 1 bunch or 2 beads, 3 beads. So it will be about half teaspoon, will be pretty hot. And then khmeli suneli. Khmeli suneli, it's a mixture of Georgian herbs and coriander, spices, etc. So I'll take about 2 teaspoons, 2, and about 1 teaspoon of standard salt. That's it. And now let's blend it. So start with slow speed. You don't need to have very fine paste. Let's try it. The taste is so amazing. Everything is balanced. I can check the steak tenderness by pressing with the fork or whatever tool you have. You see how soft it is. It looks like a rare or even blue inside. And I feel that we need to cook half minute more. You see the crust is absolutely beautiful. You see steak is perfectly medium, as I was planning to do. Very soft and tender. And the aroma from the butter is so overwhelming. Fortunately, it's very small pieces, so it's very difficult to carve it nicely. Nice plate. A little bit of rocket salad. Now, few slices of steak. It's carved not ideally, so few sweet corns here, and lovely tomato. Chicory first. Chicory is so nice. Now mushrooms. Mushrooms go here, and peas now. That's it. Don't forget about sauce. We've got absolutely delicious sauce, which I've explained in different video. Just a spoon or even 2 this spicy herby sauce. That's it. Enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video.